Anaya, your virtual trainer at Mosby. Welcome to this training module on accessing and utilizing unit-level data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Mosby website. This module is a part of a series designed to help users navigate and extract valuable statistical data efficiently. The National Statistics Office (NSO) has been conducting large-scale socio-economic household surveys across India for several decades. These surveys, conducted under different rounds, cover critical areas such as consumption, expenditure, labor force participation, health, education, and much more. The Household Survey Division (HSD) of NSO is responsible for designing and managing these surveys, ensuring data accuracy and accessibility. Unit-level data from these surveys is an essential resource for policy makers, researchers, and analysts who seek to derive meaningful insights for economic and social planning. This training will guide you step by step in accessing, downloading, and preparing this data for further analysis. Now let's get started with Module 1, Downloading Unit-Level Data from Mosby website. Step 1. Visit Mosby website. To begin, open any web browser and type the URL www.mosbi.gov.in in the address bar. Step 2. Access Microdata Library. Once the home page loads, click on the Microdata hyperlink. A pop-up will appear. Select Yes to proceed to an external website, Microdata Library. Alternatively, you can directly visit www.microdata.gov.in by typing the URL in your browser. Step 3. Select the desired survey. Microdata Library homepage categorizes surveys into different sections including Household Consumption Expenditure Survey, Periodic Labor Force Survey, Employment and Unemployment Survey, Land and Livestock Holding Surveys. For this demonstration, we will focus on the Household Consumption Expenditure Survey (HCES). Step 4. Choose the reference here. Inside the HCES section, under the Study View tab, multiple surveys are listed based on their reference here. For example, we select the Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2022-23. Users may also check for the most recent surveys such as HCES 2023-24 and select the relevant data set accordingly. Step 5. Explore available resources. Once inside the survey page, you will find several informational tabs including Study Description provides an overview of the survey, Data Dictionary, lists metadata and variable details, Downloads, contains field instructions, questionnaires, data layouts, and estimation procedures. Get Microdata. This tab is used to download the data set. Step 6. Download the microdata. Click on the Get Microdata tab to access the data set. First-time users need to complete a one-time registration by filling out a simple form and submitting it. After successful registration, log in using your user ID and password. Once logged in, locate the unit-level data download link. Before downloading, you will be required to agree to the user agreement or undertaking form. Click on the download link and a zip folder containing the data set will be downloaded to your system. Step 7. Extract and open the data. After downloading, navigate to the folder where the zip file is saved. Unzip the folder to access 3 key files. Install Nestar Explorer by double-clicking the application file. Open Nestar Explorer and double-click the Nestar study file to launch it. Step 8. View and export the data. Inside Nestar Explorer, click on the Data Sets tab to access unit-level data organized by different levels. Select the required level and choose Export or Save the data to a preferred location. You can save the data in various formats including SPSS, SAS, Stata, DBF, Statistica, Text, Delimited data. If needed, export all data sets at once by selecting Export all data sets. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to download unit-level data from the MOSPI website and access it using Nestar Explorer. Key takeaways from this module: accessing MOSPI microdata library when selecting the required survey, registering and downloading the unit-level data, extracting the data and using Nestar Explorer to view and export data sets. Understanding how to access and handle this data is crucial for informed decision-making in research, policy-making, and economic planning. The ability to download and process unit-level data helps ensure that evidence-based decisions are made with accuracy and efficiency. This marks the completion of Module 1. In the next module, we will explore the data structure of unit-level data, helping you understand its format and key components. Thank you for participating in this training session. See you in Module 2.